Hello, my name is Nikita Samsonenko, and today I want to show you my forecast for ice cream sales for the year 2025. In this video, in this presentation, I want to explain how I made my predictions step by step. Also, I will talk about how different seasons affects the ice cream sales and how the location changes the forecast and how confident I am in my numbers, in my found numbers. I'm going to show you in the end. Um, I'll try to keep this simple and clear. So let's go started. I hope you will understand everything with my a little bit bad accent of English, because yeah, I'm from Ukraine, but I'm trying my best. So first of all, let me explain the goal of this forecast. The goal is very simple. We want to plan how much ice cream to order for each month in 2025. The problem is if we order too much ice cream, it will go to waste and we lose money. But if we order too little, we will miss the chance to sell more during high months of when the people need the ice cream. So my goal is to balance this and to make sure we have the right amount of ice cream every month. To do this, I used three different forecasting methods. These are the native method, cumulative method, and the moving average method. I'll just gonna explain them to you how they work in a moment. So now let's talk about the final forecast. Uh, I combined all the data from different methods and created the forecast for 2025. So now let's talk about the final forecast. I combined all the data from different methods and created this forecast for 2025. You can see that in the summer months, the sales are much higher. This is because people buy more ice cream in hot weather. It's pretty logical. If there is hot weather, people want to um, something like a cold drink, and ice cream is very popular in during the summer seasons. In winter months, the forecast is lower, of course, because the demand goes down, and when it's cold, people don't really want something um, cold to eat, so they choose something like a hot soup or something that would make them warm. I use this seasonal trend to make smarter decisions for ice cream orders. So this way, we can meet the demand and avoid extra stock during the months when the ice cream is not gonna sell that much. So now we're doing comparison of forecasting methods that we have. Uh, Now let me explain the three models, the three methods we have. First, we have the naive method. This method is very simple. It just takes last month's number and uses it for the next month. It is fast, but it does not think about seasonality, about the seasons. Second is the cumulative method, cumulative mean method. Uh, this method takes the average of all past months. It is more stable, but it reacts slowly to changes. And the third one, we have the moving average method. This method balances trends and seasons. It looks at a set of number of months and adjusts better to changes. I decided to combine all three methods to get the more reliable result. So now we have the seasonality sales, when they sell higher and where they sell lower. Um, because it's very important for ice cream sales. Ice cream is a seasonal product. People love to buy ice cream when the weather is hot in summer months like July, June, August, maybe May a little bit, and maybe like the end of summer, September, and the start of summer. You can see that like as we saw before on the graph, in cold months people do not buy much ice cream, so I made sure to increase orders in the summer and reduce them in winter, so we don't get overstock of ice cream during winter and don't get not enough stock during the summer. Um, how did our location affect forecast? My location also plays a big role in the forecast. My location has hot summers, so people buy more ice cream in these months. I use this information to plan higher orders for July, August, and September. In colder months like December and January, of course, we reduce the orders. This way, my forecast matches local customer behavior. Understanding the local weather helps me make better decisions for the forecast. Changes to the final forecast. When I built my final forecast, I did not just copy numbers from the methods. I made changes based on my logic and past sales data. For example, in summer months, I increased the forecast because I know people buy more ice cream when it's hot. In winter months, I lowered the forecast to avoid overstock. My goal was to balance customer demand and inventory. I want to have enough ice cream in summer and not waste money in winter. This way, we can run the business better, and by making more smart choices, we can make more money and make our business more profitable. And what is the level of certainty? How confident am I in my forecast? I would rate my forecast at about like 85, 90 out of 100. I'm confident because I used three methods and checked the past sales data. I saw clear patterns in customer behavior. But of course, I understand that weather can change and people can buy less or more. In sometimes you can't control this. This way, I feel confident in my numbers, but also prepare for any surprises. And in conclusion, uh, this forecast helped me to plan ice cream orders for the full year of 2025. I used a mix of forecasting methods and my own adjustments to make the numbers more realistic. I considered seasonality and location to make sure my forecast matches customer demand. I feel confident in my numbers, but I'm ready to adjust if something changes. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed. It was Nikita Samsonenko. Thank you so much.